And then she told the Brando story, which was always a good sign. And the Brando story she told was, she said, when Brando was studying with me, his mother called me one day, and she said, Marlon has decided to become an actor. He's asked us to stop calling him Bud and to start calling him Marlon.
Oh, wow.
And I thought it was interesting because what I realized was it was like one day he made the decision. He made the decision. And he told his mother, because his nickname was Bud, if you know anything about Brando. And so he said, I want you to stop calling me Bud. And so it was just like, it was this odd thing he did that was just like, okay, now I'm going to be serious. Now I'm going to become an actor, which is, I liked. It made me feel good. I thought, yes, I see what it is. It is a decision you make.